these are fresh. These were definitely not here when I got here this morning, which means this thing came right through camp. Hey, so you may be wondering why I'm in my house and filming here now. Um, well, let's just say something happened and it did give me a little bit of pause. So I'm going to go ahead and share the rest of the clips and what happened as to get me to be filming the basically the conclusion here in my house. So I don't know how well it's going to show up in the video, but this is a series of tracks that were not here earlier today when I went out for my walk. And that looks like, you know what, to me. There's been nobody out here. Nobody. No dogs, no anything. My tracks are, those are my tracks and they've been recent, but that, I didn't notice it was gonna come up from getting water, but these were looking pretty decently fresh, and there's some over there too. Like I said, there's no dogs, no people, no nothing. So I think we're gonna reevaluate our situation here. So I know the other one was in portrait mode. This is landscape. These are fresh. These were definitely not here when I got here this morning, which means this thing came right through camp. Yeah, there hasn't been any people out here either direction. I've been all up and down this access road. Yeah, these weren't here. These were not here. I've seen these when I was setting up camp. I've been walking back and forth. So, okay, he came right through, or he or she came through, and right on. So, all right, yeah, I think we're going to reevaluate this pretty quick. This is probably not showing up well on the camera, but this definitely kind of looks like a paw print, and that's right next to a tent. So, yeah, I think that was me. I don't know if that was me right there coming in, but yeah, with the fresh tracks, it seemed to be fresh tracks because they definitely weren't there earlier when I got here, and I've been walking all up and down that. So, okay, yeah, I think we're gonna make this one a short trip. So there you have it, guys. That's why I decided to come back in. I didn't need to be out there and film a video per se. It was a little bit spooky to see those fresh prints out there, so that was yeah, a new one for me. I've never seen a mountain lion, but I've seen the tracks before, and I've heard one growl before, and I've just never really had the need to prove myself about that I can withstand that. So anyways, that's why I'm in my house. I called it early. I just packed it up and left, and that was the end of it. It was a pretty quick hike back. So anyways, I was going to go for no talking during this winter camping video, this early spring video, but that got shot to hell pretty quick after I saw those prints. So anyways, that's the end of it. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope that this was a little bit helpful, and if you did like it at all, just give it a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great one, guys. Bye.